Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. If you like my videos, please do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell button to get new twisted recipes. So today's video is about how to make cheesecake. I'm gonna give it a twist with fresh orange juice. So let's get started.
First, boil 1 liter milk on medium flame. Then take half a cup of water and add half tablespoon of vinegar into it. After boiling, add this vinegar mixed water into this milk. You can see cheese curd is formed, and we take this cheese curd into a medium bowl. Now add 2 tablespoons of semolina or suji, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and mix it properly. Now add 1 cardamom, 4 to 5 chopped cashew nuts, 4 to 5 chopped raisins, and mix it again. Now the main twist is add 5 tablespoons of fresh orange juice into this mixture. Add 1 teaspoon of clarified butter or ghee. Make sure the batter is thicker in texture. Now transfer the batter into a greased pan. Set it properly. Garnish the top with chopped almonds. Now place a stand into a large saucepan and then place the cake pan into this saucepan after 10 minutes of preheating. Now cover it and bake it for 35 to 40 minutes. Now let's go for preparing rabri. First boil 500 ml of milk on low to medium flame, then add 2 tablespoons of milk powder. Add 1/8 teaspoon of salt and 3 tablespoons of sugar into this boiled milk. Also add few strands of saffron. Boil milk until it gets thicker. Now after 35 minutes of baking, cheesecake is ready. Now cut the cheesecake into pieces. Now place the sliced cheesecake on a serving plate and top it with condensed milk or rabri. Garnish with saffron strands and chopped almonds. Now the baked Shahi Orangy Cheesecake is ready to serve. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, share it and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell button. Thank you.